So you can understand me.
Ja.
You understand.
Nee, Englisch, ja.
But you can't speak it yourself.
Nee. Nee, ik kan niet spreken nog goed Engels. En een paar woorden Danish. Maar nee, niet. Jij spreekt Engels ook nog veel is.
4 words of Danish.
Nee, je wordt op die lied. So, Vrindel is Branno. Hest is Horse. Steiner is Staan. En mijn naam is Baldrich. Mijn naam is Baldrich.
And what do you do?
Spurre. Ich habe 100 Schafe und Berggrasas. An ihr Fach. Vad är det? Ich habe viss tunne. Men annan är children. Akkurat hus.
Can you speak any new English at all?
Yeah. Let's go, ne?
Would you like to learn?
Ja.
Try my name is. My name is.
My name is Baldrich.
My name is Baldrich.
My name is Baldrich.
Baldrich.
Nee, net kan, hè? Dat kan niet nog. Dat kan niet nog.
Baldrich claims he was originally from a community of blacksmiths just outside Winchester, but they cast him out and his wife and his flock of sheep, and he's only now beginning to reconnect with them. But the blacksmiths themselves wouldn't talk to us, so we only had Baldrich to talk to. We've been living here in this heath for about a month, and we've been telling people we're from the north of England, so they understand we have a different dialect, a different way of speaking. But Baldrich's the one that's spoken to us most, so he's grown accustomed to our way of speaking, and he can sort of understand us most of the time now. Do you know about Woden and Thunard and all of those?
Nee. Dat går då. Ja, tack för det. Min outfather kan song för him
About the dead gods.
in Woden, ja.
Can you remember any of it?
Ja, kan inte.
Can you sing it? We won't tell anybody.
Woden häng fram marschetrau, Vogel satt und sticka bovan, Drygt sig fram fast foglös mor, Sa vårdigt sätts je simle så, Sa vårdigt sätts je simle så.